Drama brews. Also pissed about Nengi, lament to V.
It's like the thing for me now is I'm at a point now where I told her like I'm not the kind of person that will be talking to someone on the phone and then I'll just hang up.
Yeah.
I don't do stuff like that. Like I wouldn't. So what is for me now, like I'm so pissed. The whole day I'm not saying one single stuff to her like at all.
The current drama wave in the lockdown house is Ozo and Nengi fuming and lamenting to V about the possibility of Nengi taking him for granted and how he will not allow that to happen. Ozo and V were captured in a conversation where Ozo was talking to V about Nengi's current action towards him. According to Ozo, Nengi has been mean and cold to him since the end of yesterday's eviction show. Ozo said that Nengi did not alert him when she was going to bed. He also said that Nengi was ignoring him when he tried to make conversations during bedtime with her. Moving forward from that, Ozo went ahead to tell V that Nengi dropped all of his pictures on his bed this morning without talking to him about it.
But then, why not go the extra mile of them taking the stuff I gave and then just dropping me on the bed when I wasn't there?
Ozo was very pissed and insisted that he will not tolerate any form of disrespect or being taken for granted from Nengi at any instance. V, who was caught in the middle of that conversation, asked Ozo to give Nengi some time that she could be reacting to the tones of questions asked by Ebuka during the eviction show. In her honest opinion, V insisted that she is not sure what Ozo should do at the moment, but still said he should give Nengi some time. Ozo, however, instructed V not to talk to Nengi about anything they have talked about. However, Ozo pissed about Nengi's behavior towards him. Guys, what do you think about Nengi and Ozo's relationship? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.